Welcome. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to download a GIF from Pinterest to your mobile devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Pinterest app and then choose the GIF that you want to save. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on these three little dots on the upper right corner of the GIF and click on copy link. And now just go ahead and go to your browser and search for pinterestdownloader.com. Okay, again, pinterestdownloader.com. And now just go ahead and paste the link that you copied earlier and click download. So let's just wait for it. And now your image is ready to download. So now you can just go ahead and download the image or force download image. So just go ahead and choose either of that two and you're good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.